Hi guys, welcome back to Akitchenadvisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making beef bourguignon in Instant Pot. We adapted the classic recipe made by Julia Child to the modern lifestyle without losing French charm and food quality. We used exactly the same ingredients, but it is made 3 times faster in Instant Pot. You can find the full recipe and ingredients in the link below. Also, if you are interested in other stew-related recipes made in Instant Pot, check our beef stroganoff, ground beef chili and beef stew. The links are below this video. Set Instant Pot to sauté function. Pour olive oil into the Instant Pot. Rinse the beef and dry it off with paper towels. Sear the beef in batches until browned on all sides. Add red wine to the Instant Pot. As it is the beef from Burgundy, it is better to use a red Burgundy wine. It is made from Pinot Noir grapes. The red wine will help you deglaze the bottom. Julia Child calls the glaze as treasure of cooking. Add beef stock. It should be barely covering the meat. Add tomato paste. Season with thyme, bay leaves, minced garlic and salt. Cancel sauté program. Close the lid, turn the steam release handle to sealing position, select pressure cook program, set the pressure indicator to high pressure and then manually adjust time to 40 minutes. Set the keep warm button off. While the beef is in Instant Pot, let's prepare our buttered mushrooms. Rinse the mushrooms thoroughly. Heat the butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add in the mushrooms. Cook for about 6 minutes, while mixing the mushrooms occasionally to coat with the butter. Don't overload the pan, and remember that properly sautéed mushrooms shouldn't have any juice. Set them aside. When time is up, open the lid by using quick release, so turn the steam release handle to venting position. Open the lid and add the pearl onion and buttered mushrooms. Mix it well and close the lid. Turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program, set the pressure indicator to high pressure and then manually adjust time to 5 minutes. Set the keep warm button off. When time is up, open the lid by using quick release. Open the lid, cancel pressure program and select sauté program and set up time to 5 minutes. Mix room temperature butter with flour. You can mash it with a fork or a spoon. Add into Instant Pot and mix it well. Stir it occasionally. Remove the bay leaves. Add ground black pepper and salt if needed. Before we give a try to this heavenly delicious beef bourguignon, let me say big thank you to all our subscribers. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes.